Okay, welcome. Today's webinar will be on cloud storage and backup. And yeah, okay, an overview. So we're gonna go over an introduction to cloud storage, different cloud storage and backup systems like iDrive, SpiderOak, and Box, the benefits and storage plans, how they compare, and alternative options. Introduction. The largest and most popular cloud storage platforms include Google Drive, Dropbox, and iCloud. However, there are many other lesser known yet effective cloud storage and backup systems out there with specific features that may appeal to you and suit your digital lifestyle. iDrive. So, what is iDrive? iDrive is an online backup service available to Windows, Linux, iOS, and Android users. Once installed, users select folders and files to be backed up at user-specified times. You are provided with 5 gigabytes of free storage, and you can update to a paid account for 5 terabytes of storage. And on the right, that's what their logo is. Benefits. Some of the benefits of iDrive is that it's true archiving. So that means that no data is deleted from the iDrive online account until you manually delete it or you run archive cleanup. You can retrieve data, you can search and restore files and recover files from trash within a period of 30 days. You can also use multiple devices to backup with just one account. You can go and back up unlimited files on unlimited devices. Online sync file. Files and folders will be synced in real time across all devices. iDrive is best for recovering lost data after accidentally deleting, hard drive crashes, or file corruptions. People with many different devices who want to back them all up, and scheduling automatic backups rather than doing them automatically. Storage plans. So the regular prices are free, which you get 5 gigabytes for. You can do $79.50 a year, which gives you 5 terabytes. And then you can do 99.5 a year and 99.5 a year again. And for all of these different layers, I think they're on a discount in this picture, but you can see in the top that it has those. You can get like up to 5 computers, 10 computers, 25, and for more money if you want for more than 1 year. And then over here you can get more storage, and yeah, the list keeps going. If you wanted to know more, on the shareable version, you can click the link down here and then you can visit their website. SpiderOak 1 backup. What is SpiderOak? SpiderOak is a collaboration tool, online backup and file hosting service. It allows users to save documents, files, folders, pictures, videos, etc. in the cloud. And that's their logo on the right and their link down below. Benefits. It's available cross-platform. So SpiderOak supports Linux, Mac, and Windows desktop systems. And file sharing. You can share files with others with a time limit, meaning the link for the file that you share can self-destruct after a certain time limit of your choosing. And protection. SpiderOak always protects your files from the moment you start to upload them to your account. SpiderOak is best for sharing sensitive information with a time limit that you can designate. Security. They have end-to-end encryption, and they don't store your password or any metadata associated with your files, also known as no knowledge design. And they have automatic unlimited version tracking. Storage plans. So as always, we have the free version, which is $0 a month, and it gives you 5 gigabytes, a minimum of 1 user and up to 3 max. And then we have the basic program, which is $7 a month per user. You get a minimum of 3 users. You get 3 terabytes of storage. And if you want additional storage, you can pay $10 extra a month for another terabyte. And for Pro, you get $15 a month per user. And instead of the 3 terabytes, you get 5, but the additional storage price still stays the same. And you also get a virtual admin training course, which is pretty cool. You can check these out on their website, which is linked down below here. And yeah. Box. What is Box? So Box is a cloud storage and collaboration company oriented for businesses. You can upload files, documents, videos, photos, etc. And you can access those files anywhere on any device and share them with anyone you want. That's their logo on the right. If you go to the IDrive slide, it has the Box link. So I guess here's the IDrive link. Yeah. Benefits. You can store files. Any type of file can be stored within Box, and you can access it from anywhere on any device. Share and collaborate. You can share files and folders with anyone and have the option of letting them edit it or only view it. You can also upload files from apps. Box has a lot of app integrations, and one of them is Microsoft Office. And these app integrations allow you to back up and upload files into Box straight from those apps. Box is best for large groups, businesses, or organizations, since it allows teammates. It has a strict data privacy, data residency, and industry compliance. It has automating repeatable workflows and a lot of third-party integrations, as we said before. Individual storage plan. So for individual, Box is actually free. You get up to 10 gigabytes of storage, a 250 MB file upload limit, and 1 file version. It also has built-in integrations with Microsoft 365 and Google Workspace. Secure file sharing. You can use 2-factor authentication to make sure you're extra secure. You can access it anytime, anywhere. It has Box mobile app collaboration, integrated desktop experience, shared folders and links, standard customer support, online self-paced training, and note-taking and project management. And if you want to learn more about the individual storage plan, the link is down below. Personal Pro storage plan, which is also for individuals but better, is $14 a month per user. Instead of the 10 gigabytes before, I think it was, you get up to 100 gigabytes of storage this time, and a 5 gigabyte file upload limit. And you can also upload 10 different file versions. The rest is the same, so we won't say that again. So business starter storage plan. This is for business teams, and it's $7 per user per month. with a minimum of 3 users. And you can go up to 10 users with it. It has up to 100 gigabytes of storage, a 2 gigabyte file upload limit, and 25 file versions, and the rest down here is the same. Yeah. So how do they compare? So iDrive, the pros are the paid plans offer a lot of storage starting from 5 terabytes. It has a lot of different plans to choose from. One of the cons is that it doesn't offer monthly plans, only annual plans. Spider Oak. Pros, it's cheaper than the other storage companies, and your shared files can self-destruct after a certain period of time. But the cons are that it's not compatible with all systems. For example, it doesn't have a mobile app, and it's not open source software. Pros of Box are that it offers 10 free gigabytes of storage, which is 5 more gigabytes than the other companies. And it has 2-factor authentication available so that you can be very secure. But some of the cons is that it can be kind of overpriced and it has limited consumer options. How to create your own cloud. As cloud computing matures, an increasingly popular solution is for users to operate a personal cloud server to get as much storage as you like. So first, you need to check to see if your router has USB ports. And if so, you can connect a USB external storage drive to it. On your computer, click on the Wi-Fi preferences option, and under status, you'll find the IP address for your router. Go to Google and input your IP address, and then you can log into your account and you can map the drive to your device. In case you wanted more thorough steps, there's a step-by-step video below here on how to create your own cloud. Just click the link. It's a YouTube video. Alternatives to cloud storage. So you can use an external hard drive, which is like a physical one. Since you don't need an account, it's a one-time payment. You can access on any device at any time, and you don't need internet connection for it. And if you want to know more about external hard drives, you can click the here to watch a past webinar on external hard drive storage. There's also Resilio Sync / BitTorrent Sync, which works even when the internet is down, kind of like a Bluetooth way to sync files. For more information, here's a link to it. Just click. Network attached storage. So this contains one or more hard drives that are attached to your router so that you can access your files on any computer on your local network. Thanks for listening. If you'd like to learn this lesson with a Cyber Seniors mentor again, please go to cyberseniors.org, or you can call 1-844-217-3057 to register for a one-on-one phone session. And we also hold weekly tech drop-in sessions from 2 to 3 p.m. Eastern time on Thursdays. Yeah.